Welcome back to Crafting with Pretty Science. Today I'm going to show you how to create like the number 10 envelope template in Silhouette Studio. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to fix our page. Okay, we're gonna fix our media. This is the media. When you go in here in media, click on media. Okay, the envelope is not here. I don't see it here. The envelope is 9.5 by 4.13, something like that. Yeah. Let's go in here, file, page setup. Here in size, we're going to look for it. It's right here, envelope number 10 for 125. 9.5. Let's select it, and I have it in landscape orientation, and I click OK. And now we have the print border of that paper, that envelope size. Let's go in here. When we click on here, when you scroll down, you see on printer it has 9.5 and stuff, and then we click on it, and then the media will come in the form of the envelope. Okay, but still the print border is not good here. Let's take this out. The print border is not good here because you want to print on the whole envelope. Okay, so we'll go in print. Okay, you see how messy this is. It's not good. Go to check print. Okay, and then we're going to look for our printer. In this case, I have the 2720. I'm not gonna print anything right now. I'll go into the preferences and I'm going to change some things in here. Okay, here should be like in the document size. You see here all the other ones. You should have the number 10 4.20 125 by 9.5 inch. You should have it selected. After you have it selected, you should click on this here, minimize margins. You should have it, okay? And we're going to print on print. You can change it to quality if you want to, like high quality. You want it in colors. Okay, envelope. I go to more options. We don't want it on high speed. Uncheck the high speed button. We don't want it on high speed. Okay, this is the only thing you need to change here. Leave it on here. Go back to main. And after you have all this here, we're going to save it in here. You go to add presets, and then you will name it here. I'll name it my number 10 envelopes. So every time you come in here, you can click on that. Yeah, my number 10 envelopes. Let's say we make it let's say a blue notebook like this. We choose this icon. Okay. Now you can write here, this is for my number 10 envelopes. Okay, and you have it like that. When you have it like that, let's go here and see. You can click on save, and you see it came here, my number 10 envelope. So every time you come here to print an envelope, you click on this and everything will be set. Okay, I'm going to close it. Okay, let's go in here. I will click on here, and then I will click on OK. And after I come back here, I need to apply the change. Okay, apply the change. Okay, I apply the change, but I'm not going to print anything right now because I don't have anything on the page. Okay, so I will click on cancel, but it still will apply the cut settings, and I will click on cancel here. Okay, you see now my margin has fixed itself because we click in there minimize margins. Now we have what we want. Now we're going to design. Okay, you need to have your image that you're going to use. Okay, let me bring in an example of the ones I have. I'll go to merge, envelope. I'm going to grab this one. Okay, and then we're going to change the text. I have it over here. Let's see, let me find the image really quick. Okay, I have that image. You can remove the background to remove that BG. I have this image, it's what I'm going to use. I'll make it smaller, but I'll put it over here. Okay, now we are going to write all these in here. Okay, let's go to here. I'm gonna write down date. Oh, it's big, but we're going to minimize them, like make them smaller. Date. I'm going to double click, and then I will have teacher. Okay, after I have date and teacher, I'm going to write down the other ones. Okay, now we have all our words. Okay, now we're going to select this all this. Select them all. If you want, you can change your fonts. You can still change your fonts. Let's see if we can use another font. Okay, I think it's the same font I'm using. Okay, this is it's another font. It's up to you what font you want to use. I'll use this font. I like it. Let me see. This one. I like this font. I'm gonna use this one. And I'll come over here and I'll align them to the side. You see, everybody goes to that side. Align them right there. And between them, align them all also. Like I want them to be evenly spaced between them. I align them like this, okay? And then I will group them. And I'll go to this one right here. And I'll change my font also. My font. Yeah, this one here. Actually, everything. This font right here. Okay, I have a change. I'm going to bring all of them to the other side like so. Okay, and then here I want them evenly spaced. I will use this one. Okay, now I will group them also. Okay, and now we're going to make all of them smaller, like smaller. I want them to be in the same size. I'm gonna make them smaller. Okay, so that they can fit here. Okay, let's go closer. I think they should be a little bit smaller. Smaller. Okay, I think they're good. Like so. And now, let's bring these two up here. Or you can put them on this side too. It's up to you where you want to have them. Like here is also good. Okay, we're going to align them with these ones first. But first, let's make some circles or stars, whatever you want to put in there. Let's choose stars. I'll make this star like so. Okay, this star right here. To make the star thicker, you can go over here. No, over. Yeah, over here. And then you can bring this up. You see the star becomes thicker. That's the star we're going to use, and we're going to make it black. Okay, make it black right there. Let's turn it into a pad, convert it to pad. Okay, here is our star. Let's make it smaller. Oh, okay. Our star is too big. Make it smaller. And then let's bring this down then. Bring the line down. Okay, I think this is good. We have a star here. Let's go closer. So So you can see what we are doing. We have one star here, and now we're going to duplicate them. And then put one here. Not you. Okay. Okay, bring them here. I think I have too many stars. Okay, put them here. This one here, and let's take this one out. So now we have this here, okay? Now we're going to align the stars beside them. The thing we're going to do is put this one here and then select all, and we're going to align them with this one. And then we're going to even the space between them, and now we have them, okay? And we're going to group them. Okay, we're going to group them together with this for now. Group. Okay, we have our first row. Let's go to the other row right here. Okay, let me see. We have some lines. Okay, this is the example. Let's go here. We're going to put our other stars like so. One here, and then we're going to let me duplicate these two. One here and one here. Now we're going to select them, align them really quick with this one, and then space between them. Okay, I think we are good. And group them. Also group them with this one. Okay, and then we will, let's go here to page setup, grid, and then we want smart snapping. Smart snapping will help us to, you see, to align them so that they can be on the same height right here. Okay, and now we're going to make our lines. Go here to the line. To make a straight line, you hold command, draw the line, hold command, drawing, and then hold shift, and then it will go straight. Then you let go of command and then shift. Okay, okay, now we have our line. We're going to make our line thicker right here, not too thick, and then we're going to make it black also. Okay, we can make it smaller, and then we're going to place our line here. I'm going to place a line here. You can make variations. You don't have to make it exactly as this one. You can use variations to create your own. Here's other, bring it in, and then add one more line right here, and then you can bring it in also. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have this. Let's bring these here. Smart snapping will help to get them on the same height. You see that? Day teacher. I'm going to copy this and bring it over here. Teacher. Make it smaller. And then date. Okay. We are almost done. Okay, we have them. You see that? And then we add our image to it. For instance, you can go to Google and find cute things. Let's say I'm doing strawberry, so I need some strawberry images. Clip art. Clip art. Okay, I love this strawberry. I can copy it. It says here, copy image. Bring it into here. It's a big strawberry. Let's remove the background. Let's trace it. Trace area. I'm going to use this one. Select it all. Okay, and then I'm going to drag it up so that it's all covered. It's all covered. And then we will trace and detach. Okay, and then we have our strawberry. I'll delete this, and then I'll make the strawberry smaller, and then we can use it on here. Use it really quick, like one here, another one here. Okay, like here. Oh, we forgot we need to put the name in. Let's put the name in. I'm going to put my name. Okay, let me color it really quick, and then I'm gonna change my font and put it on Amarillo. Make it smaller. So small. It should be here. Okay. I'm gonna make my name red. Like red. Okay. If you want, you can put a offset around it. Make it a little bit thinner. Apply it. And then like a pinkish color. Yeah, nice. So I'm going to select everything and then take the red line out, and then I'm done. Okay, so I'm done. You can duplicate this more if you want to. Hey, let me go back. I think I make my lines white. Oh, I made my lines gray. They shouldn't be gray. They should be black. Make sure you keep your lines black. Your lines should be black, not white. Go in here, make them black. Okay, let's go to print. When you go to print, you will see the lines because you have made them extra black. Okay, that's why you will see your lines. Okay, I missed something. My stars need to be black. Everything here should be black. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go to print. You see everything is here. So you can create your own envelope templates here in Silhouette Studio, and you can print them out. You can decorate it more. You can have other words. You can have other fonts, and just make it right in here and print it. And you can have it here for life. You don't have to go to Canva to do it. You can do it right in here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're gonna try it, please let me know. And if you have any questions about this, let me know also. Thank you.